So let's take a quick look here at the CarPlay integration with highway radar for iOS and some of the different detectors. So we'll do a quick demo here with the R8W, and as you can see when we get an alert, it went ahead and muted it for me because of the low speed muting, and I can see the band detected. Not sure why it keeps popping up and down like that, but we can see the frequency, the strength, the direction. I can mute the signal, or I guess lock it out. I tried to mute it and it made the alert disappear. There it is, it looks like it popped back up again. A little weird that it's going up and down like that. Let's also go ahead and next trigger a K-band alert and see how that behaves. Looks like it actually just popped up a frequent alert detected option. So it gives me the option to lock out the signal. That's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and trigger it again. You can see right there, it shows on screen the signal's now locked out and location is locked out. So that was interesting, I guess, because the signal kind of keeps coming and going like that. It thought it was multiple signals, even though I just started doing this here. Let's go ahead and unlock the signal real quick. Now, oddly, I'm not seeing the alert here anymore. That's a little weird. There we go. Okay, location locked out. Let's try KA again real quick to just make sure that it works and stuff pops up. Nope, I'm not seeing that here either. Let's try restarting it real quick. And we're back up and running, so let's trigger KA here first. Location locked out. We should be locking out KA band. That's a little weird. And we can also do laser. We get that. No idea why it's not showing up here. Location locked out. Not really sure what's up with the alerts, but I also have the ability to move the map over here to the phone if I want to see that. And if we take a closer look, before we look at the display, it can actually tell me what photo radar systems are in use here in King County, as well as what radar and laser guns they use by like the Washington State Patrol. This does look pretty accurate here. And if we go back over here to the main map, as you can see, we've got our heat map information. So we got our like red light cameras, speed cameras. There's also crowdsourced alerts that can show up there. Anyways, if we go ahead and turn CarPlay back on here, let's take a quick look at the UI, since that's kind of the main thing I want to see. We have the ability to search here. So for our turn-by-turn navigation, we've got our risk score right up there, which tells us things like, how often we see crowdsourced alerts in this location. It can tell us our current speed and our speed limit. If we go over here, looks like we can report police, so a lot like Waze. Then the next one down, we've got like a mute option here. This one might be a little bit tricky to demo since it's going to be muting my detector for me either way due to the lockout thing, but we've got some muting options. And then we've also got the ability to kind of zoom around the map and look around and stuff. And then as far as detector compatibility, if we go over here to radar detector settings, you can see it's compatible with the V1 Gen 2. As far as the unit ends, at the bottom it says it supports the R8, R8W, R4, and R4W. And then as far as the Redenso, it should be the DS1, since that's the one that's got Bluetooth. So compatible here with a variety of different detectors. Is a little bit buggy here for me, but it's great to see the CarPlay integration here. You can see the heat maps with like how often we've got police in different areas and whatnot. So another option here for CarPlay on iOS.